Do you want to see some seriously dramatic home transformations? Keep watching this video. Hi, and welcome back to BA Studio TV. Please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of exciting episodes planned for 2021, and we don't want you to miss them. Once your property hits the market, it is no longer your home, it is a product. The real estate market is competitive, so it's important to showcase your house at its absolute best if you want to attract the most offers. This is why you should always complete necessary updates to your home that depersonalize it and provide a fresh and blank canvas for potential buyers. We love helping our clients transform their homes with paint, light fixture selection, and finish updates. Once these updates are complete, a custom staging design is installed, and the property is showcase ready for a successful sale. Our goal is always to increase the perceived value of our clients' homes. So what do you think? Did we achieve it in these before and after photos? Let us know in the comments. If you plan to put your home on the market this year and want our input and advice or staging services, please contact us on our website in the description below. We hope you enjoyed these transformations. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. New episodes are posted on Wednesday. Thank you for watching.